Most business owners choose between Stripe and PayPal for the wrong reason. They hear one creator say, Stripe is better. Another says, PayPal is safer. And then they blindly pick one without understanding how these platforms actually affect their business. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Stripe and PayPal solve different problems, and the best option depends entirely on your business model. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing based only on popularity, instead of customer experience, fees, and scalability. In this video, I'll compare Stripe and PayPal side by side, including fees, ease of use, international support, e-commerce performance, and which platform works best for different types of businesses. And trust me, one platform is much better for beginners than most people expect. Let's start right away. First, let's talk about Stripe. Stripe is extremely popular among online businesses, SaaS companies, e-commerce brands, and startups. For example, Alex runs a subscription-based software business and uses Stripe because it supports recurring billing, automation, and advanced checkout customization. Now here's where it gets interesting. Stripe gives businesses far more control over the payment experience. You can build custom checkout flows, integrate subscriptions smoothly, and connect with many e-commerce tools. But here's the problem. Stripe can feel more technical for beginners. This is where most people fail. They open Stripe expecting a simple plug-and-play setup, then struggle with verification requirements or integrations. Now let's talk about PayPal. PayPal remains one of the most recognized payment brands in the world. For example, Jake freelances online and prefers PayPal because clients already trust it and payments feel easy to send. Now here's where it gets really important. PayPal is often easier for beginners because customers already know the brand. That trust can increase conversions, especially for smaller businesses and freelancers. But here's the problem. Fees and currency conversion costs can become expensive over time. In a minute, I'll show you which platform usually wins for e-commerce stores. Another major difference is checkout experience. Stripe typically creates a smoother modern checkout flow directly on your website. PayPal often redirects users or adds extra login steps depending on the setup. This may sound small, but it matters. For example, John noticed higher checkout completion rates after improving his payment flow with Stripe integration. Now here's where most business owners get confused. You do not always need to choose only one. Many businesses use both. Why? Because some customers prefer card payments through Stripe, while others trust PayPal more. That combination can increase completed sales. But here's the key thing most people completely miss. Approval and compliance rules matter too. Stripe verification can be stricter in some countries and industries. PayPal may feel easier initially, but account limitations and reviews can still happen if your business activity looks risky. That's why having clean documents, a professional website, and accurate business information matters on both platforms. So let's simplify this. If you run a SaaS company, e-commerce brand, or scaling online business, Stripe often gives more flexibility and better integrations. If you're a freelancer, beginner, or service-based business wanting simplicity and instant trust, PayPal may feel easier. And many smart businesses combine both. The best choice depends on your customers and how you sell online. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below whether you prefer Stripe or PayPal for your business in 2026. And if you want more e-commerce and online business guides, check out the next video on your screen.